What's the meaning of complaisant? Complaisant. Complaisant.
Complaisant. Complaisant. Complaisant means willing to please or agree with others, often in a way that is excessive or insincere. It can also refer to someone who is obliging or overly accommodating. People who are complaisant may be motivated by a desire to avoid conflict or to gain approval from others. While being complaisant may help to maintain harmonious relationships in some situations, it can also lead to a lack of assertiveness and a failure to stand up for oneself when necessary.